On a good sunny day, everything is going great. You walk into your room, you sit down. You are like, oh, let me check my messages. You pull out your phone. As you're about to start scrolling, you notice your phone is charging. What? Wait a minute. What's going on here? The phone is not even plugged. You look around and back at your phone. It is indeed charging, and your eyes are not playing tricks on you. You try to look for someone to ask around, but there is no one close. This is even more unsettling. You walk out of the room, you check your phone, it is not charging outside. You walk back in and boom, it is charging again, without a charger. What sorcery is this? How is this even possible? So you quickly try to Google it on your phone while your phone is still charging, but what keyword do you even use to search this phenomenon? Come to think of it, can this be a software malfunction? But it wasn't charging right outside when you walk out. What is in this room that's making your phone charge over the air? Oh yeah, charging in the air. Wirelessly, air charge. There must be an explanation. There has to be. I mean, this is electricity we are talking about. While all this is going on, suddenly you get an idea. Why don't you consult the public tech advisor on update? So let's get you up to date. Hello, public tech advisor. So, air charge, charging your phone remotely. The technology is here. Let's talk about it. The phenomenon you experience in the room is called air charge, as you rightly guessed. It's a concept that has been under research for a while now. It has come a long way with a lot of success. It is closer to you than you think. Let's go to your neighborhood transformer. To properly understand how electricity can travel in the air and charge your phone, look no further than your neighborhood transformer. A transformer does not charge your phone over the air. Nope. What it does is transforms electric energy from high to low or vice versa. The one at the corner of your street steps down electricity from high flow to low flow so smaller wires can take it to your house. It does this by converting electricity into magnetic field through coils. 2 coils to be specific, inside the transformer. High tension electric energy comes from the power grid into the high flow coil, placed closely over a very small distance next to the low flow coil. So for a brief moment, the electricity is converted into magnetic field, travels in the air to the low flow coil, then converted back to low tension electric energy so smaller wires can safely deliver power to your home. This is called induction. Then a project from MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Boston, United States, came along called WiTricity, wireless electricity, also using 2 coils, expanded the distance even more, up to 2 meters, like 7 feet, through a concept called magnetic resonance. This time, the coils were made to vibrate at high frequency. That way, one coil connected to the power source is able to send electric energy wirelessly through electromagnetic waves to a 60-watt light bulb with high efficiency. Efficiency here meaning most of the input energy is realized at the output with minimal wastage. Even when a wooden panel is placed blocking the path, it goes through, just like your cell phone signal. Impressive. The project turned into a company with the same name, WiTricity. They now supply their products to electric vehicles and others in the consumer electronics industry. They are still trying to make waves into mainstream adoption. Then, January 29, 2021, from Beijing, China, along came the Mi Air Charge technology from Xiaomi. They take wireless charging to a whole new level. The Mi Air Charge can charge your phone remotely from several distance away while you are moving within the radius at a low power charge, just 5 watts. This is incredible. It means that while you are in a room with air charge technology, your phone can slowly be charging whether you are using it or not, even when physical obstacles are blocking the way. Xiaomi was able to achieve this using millimeter waves, similar to what 5G uses to transmit data at a very high speed. This time, the waves are used to transmit electric energy at low rates to devices within the air charge range. It uses space positioning to identify and track the location of a compatible device and remotely charges it automatically. Mi Air Charge box uses 144 antennas to focus beams of high-frequency waves to your phone through a method called beam forming. Then on the phone, there is a beacon antenna for location and some 14 receiving antennas that receive the millimeter wave signal and convert it into electric energy to charge your phone like abracadabra. Now that I mentioned 5G and millimeter waves, I'm sure some of you are like, wait, what? Is this safe? Aren't this the same thing they are saying about 5G, all those issues about health and stuff? How can I be in a room full of electric charge all over the air? Well, my answer to this concern, if it matters to you at all, is that this is the same energy we get from the sun every time we walk outside. It is just being replicated in smaller space and quantity. The sun sends heat, light, electric and magnetic energy to the earth, and we live on earth. Even though some of the harmful radiation gets shielded away from us by the atmosphere, a lot of it gets through to the surface for us, plants and animals to use. The same way the solar panels receive light from the sun and then convert it into small packets of electricity gathered and stored in a battery for later. I'm sure you get the message. Anyways, Xiaomi says multiple devices can also be charged at the same time. Devices such as smartphones, watches, earbuds, bracelets, and many other wearables. But they have not yet told us when it is coming to the market or if it's ever coming at all. If it ever does, would you buy something like that and put in your living room? Let me know down in the comment section. As for the public, from a public tech advisor point of view, is this the future for our airport, train station, hospitals, hotel lobbies, or even our roads eventually when electric vehicles are all over? Would you like to see the day when there are truly no chargers, no plugs, no sockets on the walls, completely wireless? Or is this taking it too far? Let me know down in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, be sure to type the notification icon to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, cheers.